Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be my first ever cleaning video on my YouTube channel, and I have a feeling it will be the first of many, considering I now have this cleaning bug thanks to Mrs. Hinch. I'm going to give her the credit because, let's be serious, she has made like everyone clean freaks. I know you're supposed to clean, obviously you're supposed to clean, you don't want to live in dirt, but you know what I mean. She has made it fun, she's made it exciting, and I know that might come across really weird saying that, but if you have the hinching bug then you'll know what I mean, and those who don't, give it time, my friend, give it time. Anywho, this video is basically a video of me speed cleaning this room right here, which is my bedroom. This is actually in collaboration with a YouTuber I know. Weirdly, we've never actually met, but we live nearby and we talk on social media a lot. So Fiona, I'm just gonna say that I know you, because I feel like I do. We both decided to do some cleaning videos. I just clicked my knuckle if you heard that. That was gross. So yeah, I think Fiona's doing a video cleaning her bathroom, so I will make sure I link that down below for you to check out. Her channel is really good. She is a mummy, so she posts like mummy videos and daily life videos, cleaning videos of course, makeup videos, and just like a lot of videos in general, so you really should check out her channel because I love it and I'm sure you will as well. The video I did, like I said, was cleaning this room, my bedroom, and I wanted to do like a talk through as well as it being a speed clean, because as much as people do speed cleans, they're great, love them, sometimes people don't explain what they're doing. It literally is just them cleaning really quickly to music, whereas I quite like knowing products that they've used and why they're using it, etc. So I thought that is what I would do, and I hope you like the way this video turned out. It might not be the greatest because, like I said, this is my first cleaning video and I'm not exactly sure the best way to do them, but fingers crossed this turned out okay. Oh, and also I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to call this because I don't do some of these steps every single day. However, obviously I make my bed and stuff every day, so I think I'm just going to call this a talk through speed clean of my bedroom, because I'm not going to call it a weekly clean and I'm not going to call it a daily clean, because like I said, some of these steps are daily and some of these steps are weekly. And if we're talking about my shelf, which is up there, that step is more of a monthly step, but we won't talk about that. No one really sees that shelf. To be honest, I just cleaned it because I was filming. So basically, the first thing I do when I'm tidying my room is tidy up the stuff that's on my bed, because if you're like me, I use my bed pretty much like a table sometimes. I chuck stuff on there that doesn't really belong there. And when I was cleaning up, I'm sure I had a dressing gown, a hanger, which I threw. I did put that in the wee box. If you can see, that box is full of hangers and my ironing, so I threw it, but I did put it away afterwards. So yeah, I just got rid of the dressing gown, the hanger. I'm sure there was my Bluetooth speaker which I popped away, my scarf, and just bits that didn't need to be on my bed I popped away where they were supposed to be. Then I make my bed. I feel like when you've made your bed, you feel at ease. That sounds weird, but like I feel like when you've got a nice made bed, it just makes everything better and your room looks nicer. I actually always make my bed in the morning. Never used to, not gonna lie, but when I got into this whole cleaning thing, yeah, making your bed every morning is just really satisfying. Well, to me anyway. So when I'm making my bed, I like to arrange my pillows. As you can see here, these are my pillows. I always put them in a specific way. I like having grey, white, grey, white, grey. I just, yeah, it's how I like it, so that's the way I do it. And once I've made my bed, I'd like to spray my bed with some diluted fabric softener, which I have in this little clear spray bottle here. So the fabric softener I use is Lenore Spring Awakening. Mrs. Hinch uses that, and she was the one that converted me to Spring Awakening by Lenore. It smells amazing. I'm actually going to squish it now. Oh my god. Yep, love it. It smells just fresh, really. It smells amazing. So because I use this obviously when I do my laundry, I like to just spray this all over my bed because it just makes your bed and your room smell so fresh and just smell of laundry. They actually should make perfume out of this because I would definitely wear it as a perfume, and sometimes, yeah, just like to spray my clothes with it because why not? Next, I did the dusting in my room. So I used the Pledge polish and I just used your typical ordinary duster. So yeah, I just like to use these two on my bedside tables just to get rid of any dust and also any marks. I wipe them down, do the sides and the drawers, and I also dust anything that's on the bedside table. So for instance, my bedside lamps, I dust them, and on the one on this side of my bed, there's like a candle coaster kind of thing, and also like a little tea light holder. I just dust them down and Bob's your uncle. Also with the polish and duster, I dust my window ledge, again just to get rid of any dust. So in my room I have a set of the drawers from IKEA, the Malm drawers. I just like to dust the top of them and dust the little holder I have for my jewellery, and basically where I put my perfumes and stuff. I just dust everything down that is on that because that gets really dusty, and it's not really something I dust on the regular, if I'm being honest. And I also quickly give my TV a little dust down too. I really need electronic like wipes. Again, saw Mrs. Hinch use them, but I just can't find them. I need to find them because I always get the fear when I'm dusting my TV because I don't want it to like damage the screen or whatever, so I need to get some electronic wipes. If you know where to get them, please let me know in the comments down below. So then I dusted my shelf. Like I said, this is not something I do on the regular. You don't see it, it's up high, so who's gonna see the dust? So yeah, I don't do this often at all, probably like every 3 weeks or every month. I know that sounds bad, but like, yeah. And yeah, I basically just take everything off the shelf and then dust the shelf and underneath it and stuff like that. Dust the whole shelf and then dust the individual items and then pop them back in their exact place. And then it looks very nice and pristine again, and then I think to myself, I should do this regularly when the dust starts collecting, but I never do. Oh, and I actually forgot to mention that in this video, I did all my cleaning in my pyjamas, and my hair, oh my god, I was like the equivalent to a lion. I was just out the shower, and that's when I tend to do my cleaning. When I'm out the shower, my hair's wet, I shove on some pyjamas, I look a riot, not gonna lie, but I don't really tend to do my cleaning in like nice clothes and a full face of makeup or whatever. I just always seem to do it when I come out the shower, and yeah, like I said, I just whack on some pyjamas, let my hair air dry, which makes me look like a lion. So yeah, that's the reality of cleaning. There's not really anything glamorous about it, although I guess you could make it glamorous, but I just don't. I like comfy cleaning. Anyway, moving on. I then cleaned my mirror. Now I have a mirror in my room that I tend to take all my Instagram pictures and selfies in. I really do like that mirror. It's from IKEA, by the way. I can't remember what it's called, but it's just like a white mirror. But anyway, I clean it, and I like to clean it with the Star Drops white vinegar, and I also use this cleaning cloth from Spontex. I can't really pronounce it. It comes in the set with the yellow cloth, which we all call Buddy. If you know, you know. But yeah, I really want to get the green cloth, which we call Kermit. If no one knows what I'm talking about, I'm gonna sound like an absolute weirdo. So I used this cloth, it worked all right, and yeah, I really like white vinegar for cleaning mirrors. It just doesn't leave any streaks, it just makes it look really nice. The only problem is, it absolutely stinks. But yeah, this is like really cheap. I think it's like 80p a bottle or £1, and I clean all my mirrors with this. So I just wiped it down, wiped the sides down, and it just looked so much better, because for some reason my mirror gets really dirty really easily. Like, marks are on it that I'm like, how the hell did that mark manage to get in my mirror? Like, what? Next, I do something that I definitely don't do daily at all, not gonna lie. I just don't do it daily. I do it like every week. So I get my Dishmatic, which again is filled with fabric softener and water. So this is the Lenore Spring Awakening and just your average council water. I fill it up, there's like a little bit left in this. I like to wipe down my radiators with this. It just makes it smell nice when obviously you've got the heating on. It makes it smell really good. And also, if you've got any marks or dust on your radiators, this gets rid of it. And I also like wipe down my skirtings too, like all around my room. I go over my skirtings, gets rid of dust, any dirt or marks on the skirtings. This Dishmatic with the mix in it just gets rid of all the stuff that you don't want to be on your skirtings and your radiators. Okay, so the last thing that I did was, of course, hoover. Now, I wish I would be showing off a shark hoover, but a girl can dream. I just have a little hoover from Argos, but to be fair, that thing is a very, very good hoover. I like to keep care of my carpets because they're very, very expensive and they're a very light grey, so I just like to keep on top of them. So I do hoover every week, and then afterwards I like to spray a generous amount of the 1001 Carpet Fresh linen and white flowers. So basically this makes your carpet smell absolutely amazing, and it's so fresh, hence the name, fresh linen, duh. It says it's a quick drying fine foam, no need to vacuum, so you do not vacuum this up. I think a lot of people get that wrong. Even sometimes when I haven't hoovered, I just like to give this a spray on all the carpets in my house, and I love it. I really, really rate this product, and the one that's pink is really, really nice too. I just switch it up between the two, the blue one and the pink one. Absolutely love them. So guys, that is this video complete. That is the first cleaning video on my channel, and I really, really do hope you like it. A few people did message me on Instagram saying that I should do cleaning videos, just because sometimes obviously I like putting little highlights up of little cleaning tips and tricks. It makes me happy doing them. I do love cleaning. I do. Please don't forget to watch Fiona's video. Like I said at the start, I will link it down below for you to check out. Like this video if you liked it, comment down below if you would like to, and please subscribe if you haven't already, as it would mean a lot. So I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.